Are you tired of constantly living with the ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in your ears? In this video, we have gathered real stories from Sonofit users who have successfully found tinnitus relief. Join us as we explore their journey and how Sonofit has made a difference in their lives. Living with tinnitus can be extremely challenging. The constant noise can affect your daily life, sleep quality, and overall well-being. Our first Sonofit user shares his experience of how tinnitus has impacted his life. In this scene, another Sonofit user talks about how he came across Sonofit and decided to give it a try. He shares his initial skepticism and how Sonofit proved to be a game-changer in his journey to find relief from tinnitus. Here, our Sonofit users discuss their experience of using the device. They describe how Sonofit works, the comfort of wearing it, and the positive outcomes they have noticed. Discover how Sonofit has become an integral part of their tinnitus management routine. Witness the transformation our Sonofit users have experienced. They share their stories of finding relief from tinnitus and the improvements they have noticed in their overall quality of life. Sonofit has brought hope and happiness back to their lives. As we conclude this video, we hope that the real stories shared by Sonofit users have inspired you on your own journey to find relief from tinnitus. Remember, you are not alone, and there are solutions available. Consider giving Sonofit a try and take a step towards a life free from the burden of tinnitus.